car to the turn. I'm in the Toyota parking lot in a Toyota. Make it make sense. What does Toyota mean? Because I know the president or one of the heads up at Toyota, his last name is Toyota. So what's the significance of the DA from the TA? What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to take the Corolla GR on its first drive. So in actuality, this is going to be my third time driving it. The test drive, I went to the store yesterday, and now this is my third time driving it. So I got the feel of the car, set up all my options the way I think I like. Gonna have to make some revisions, and so far so good with the car. So this is a 2023, and let's take a quick walk around before we get to the drive. We're going to get straight to the point today. I never really considered this to be a looker, but this car looks pretty good in black, man, especially with the tints. I thought I wanted the red, but this black might be the ticket. And shout out to my guy Rendell Designs. He says the back view looks like Glorilla, and I can never look at this car the same, man. that was hilarious. But yeah, going around, like this thing looks, it's got a little bit of presence to it, like just the subtle touches to it, the wide stance of it, and it looks mean. Like I thought the Corollas looked decent, but this looks flat out mean. So the car arrived to me yesterday. They drove it, so it was spick and span before it left the dealership, and now it's filthy already. The cons of a black car, but it looks so good, and I'm gonna have a hard time keeping this thing clean. Y'all already know because I struggle with washing my cars, but as long as it's warm out, I'll do it myself. But let me put on the GoPro so we can get you behind the wheels and see what it's looking like behind the steering wheel to drive this GR Corolla. First drive, here we go. Let's hop in. Windows up, let the tent do its job. It's bright and sunny out. Gotta plan my routes when it comes to making these videos, because the sun will mess up the whole thing. As you can see in the Camaro video, the sun was just directly shining down below, and it just made the experience just not good. You can see I set mine up to show my MPGs. I am that guy that cares about MPGs. I be hugging trees. That's why I'm parked near these fine pine trees over here. This is a beefy e-brake, man. This thing is huge, and this shifter is kind of tall, but how far it's positioned away, or the positioning where it's located, it is just fine. I don't see the need to like modify this. So it's default to 60/40. I always turn it to the right, and it goes 30/70. That's 30% of the torque to the front, 70% to the rear. You can do 50/50 if you press this button, and this says track mode, but I'm gonna keep it 30/70. And then you have a couple of modes here. This is the there's your traction control button right there, and this is the drive modes right here. I always drive in sport mode. Custom mode is just, it's not a whole lot to change. It's like normal steering, sport steering, normal engine or throttle response, or sport. So I just in eco, but I just keep it in sport mode because it's just fine. I customize the gauge. This whole thing is digital, and it's a lot to change. So I got 3 different menus here. The all-wheel drive. I get to all that stuff in a later video. This is a drive video, I forgot. So let's do it. Not really like this shifter, man. It's just enough force to where you feel so confident. Thing is full of character. I like my cars. I have a ton of character. Shout out to the SI. So we gonna do something a little different today. This is my normal route from when I'm at City of Cars, but I'm gonna get into it at a different approach. This is a great shifter, man. I really like it. I need to test it against the Integra to see which one I like more, because everybody says Honda has the best, but I like this. It's notchy, mechanical. It does have a rubbery feel to it, but I actually kind of prefer that. I don't know why. It's just what I probably started off with driving, but it's pretty good. Can't really hear a whole lot of nothing in here. Waiting to see what some exhaust miles for this car is going to be. This car is no slouch at all. It picks up speed and it revs freely. It revs fast. Revs drop down fast, the downshift rev match, and they go up quick too. So off the line, I haven't really did a lot of off the line sprints, but we'll try that out when we get a chance. About to merge onto the expressway right now though. Much with that. Let them go up some so I can hit this curve. Man, he taking his sweet time. All right, power all-wheel drive, about to claw through these curves. Grip and go. No slouch whatsoever, man. Let me see what a normal speed, like how many RPMs we would turn going like 75. And we're on 75. So yeah, slightly below. Probably like 2,800 RPM, around 70. 75 would be about 3,000. That's what the Integra does. So, I don't know, it's rated at 28 miles per gallon highway. We'll see. On this short sprint, I just filled up too, because this thing was on dead empty. So, it filled up with like 11 miles to empty. And it only got like 11.4 gallons. So I don't even know how big this tank is. Probably like 12 gallons, but Toyota's probably safe when it comes to that empty. All right, going to loop back around on this E-way and do my City of Cars route. Downshift rev matching is great on here, man. Folks, pardon me. Let's see if I can beat this car to the turn. Yep. And the slowest merger on the planet award goes to we're doing 60, merging into a 70. Passing power. The grip on this car is amazing, man. First of all, in the M2, I would never have the confidence to have taken that turn, going that fast. I'm always scared that the rear end is going to come out. But with all-wheel drive, it's like, who cares, man? These tires going to grip. Fast as I get on, I'm about to get right back off to some more turns. Let's just see how it handles. If we got any body roll. balls. These are 18s. Does a really well job. This car is very engaging just to drive in normal city driving. So you can rev it out a little bit, not going too crazy. It's a fun car, man, so far. But that is subject to change because I don't want my first 20 miles in the car to be the end all be all. So we're gonna get to know this car, and I'm gonna be fully honest about everything, how I feel on here. I do like this big square in the cluster. It'll change to show you what gear you in once you're fully engaged and foot off the clutch, first gear. Dang, this will bump you up. Oh, whoops. Second gear. Got to put on my turn indicator. RC. No friends though. Shout out to the Men of Culture, Race Car Friends, Blueprint 1LE, 100 Gang Nate. Don't forget to check out their channels. They're in the featured section of this channel, so go check them out. Subscribe to them. They got other cars like this as well. So exciting stuff coming along. So make sure you're here. Don't miss out. See what about the rev match downshifting. Easy. The shifter is so good, man. The downshift and upshift is a good shifter. It's a great shifter to me. All right, let's see what this standstill takeoff is about. I'm forgetting this car is already broken in. I bought it used. So let's see. We're gonna see where our traction is coming in from right here. Yeah, that was a terrible takeoff. I forgot I need those RPMs to be up there because this car has low torque down low. Turn up here. Yeah. Cannot wait to drive this in the wintertime. Summertime too, man. This thing sticks and grips. What is you doing? Shout out to 100 Gang Nate. He know what song I want to sing, the Ice JJ Fish. What is you proving? Came out in traffic just lollygagging. You got a promenade, sir or ma'am. Let me look at them. And you just going, man, you come all out in the intersection slow, then you want to roll through the red light. Stop when you're supposed to go and just go when you're supposed to stop. All right. Shout out to everybody running the red light. Elantra N. That's another car that falls in this. Blueprint, would you get an Elantra N? Come on, man. We gonna get all these little hot cars. Ain't a hot hatch, but they say that car is like 90% of the Civic Type R. I actually drove one of those. I didn't do a video for you guys, unfortunately. But yeah, that car's got a ton of character too. I was kind of overwhelmed with all the buttons on the steering wheels and all the customization of it. But that's a great car as well. If you're on the budget for a Civic Type R, check out the Elantra N. And a lot of you guys recommended it on the channel, and that's a good recommendation. Let's go to Rex. Let's see if we can catch all my... Catch the Rex. And the cross track. We're gonna pass the cross track easily. I thought that thing was called a cross tech for the longest. You see me? Oh, they got the Steve version too. Man, we got all the competitors here. Got the Golf R. Blueprint, get you a Golf R. Okay, I felt the little bit of rotation on that one. Oh, he took that turn way too fast. Shout out to Acura. Tires getting the torque. hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this GR Corolla. So I kind of took everybody by surprise just getting one of these. I took myself by surprise. I keep saying that because this was not planned, at least not right now, but it just happened and I just had to take advantage of an opportunity. Can't let a good time go to waste. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. More to come on here. Let me know what you want to know about this car. Got a whole lot of content I got planned for it. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.